Three.
Bole Baba
Baba
Ki
Ki
Jai.
Jai. We're here in Harakan Vishva Mahakam, the center of the universe at our Babaji. And I'm very, very, very grateful to be with Please today, who's lived and served here at the ashram for over 50 years.
More than 50 years.
More than 50 years.
I came in 1973, October month. This is my first visit.
Wow. So can you tell us a little bit about when you first met Babaji and how it told you, and then why you stay? So first about Babaji.
बाबा जी से आप पहली बार मिले
वो
और
ठीक
उन्होंने
है,
आपको कैसे अपनी
वो
तरफ
समझ-
खींचा।
वो समझ रहा हूँ। और मैं जो है मेरा जन्म स्थान भवाली है। भवाली से एक भाटी जी भगत थे ना, हेमचंद भट्ट जी। तो वो आए यहाँ 71 में। तो वो बाबा जी ने उनसे कहा कि कोई आश्रम बिल्डर भेजो अपने यहाँ से। तो वो हमें मिले, वो क्योंकि वो भवाली के रहने वाले थे। तो वो हमसे मिले, उन्होंने कहा कि वहाँ आपको जाना है। तो हम 5-6 लोगों को लेकर के यहाँ पहुँचे। तो रात को हम उस दफ़ा पैदल आते थे हल्द्वानी से, उस दफ़ा गाड़ी वाड़ी कुछ नहीं था। तो हम रास्ते में रात हो गया, रात को वहीं रुके रास्ते में। तो सुबह जब यहाँ पहुँचे तो हमारे दिमाग में था कि बाबा दाढ़ी वाले होंगे ना, कुछ कल्पना दूसरी थी ना। जब देखा वो यंग थे, लोगों ने कहा ये हैं बाबा जी, तो हमें यकीन नहीं आया कि बाबा जी ऐसे होते। वो तो यंग लड़के थे बिल्कुल कभी ना।
He is saying that he is belong to Bhavali. Bhavali is a town nearby Nainital. He came in contact with the Babaji by a devotee who is known as Bhattji. Babaji, the Bhattji was a close disciple of Babaji. Babaji one day Babaji said to Bhattji that kindly arrange a builder for this ashrama, and in that way Bhattaji called him and he came to Babaji. When he met Babaji, before meeting the Babaji, he was thinking about Babaji, that Babaji means the old sadhu, old sannyasi. But he was quite got surprised when he met Babaji. Babaji was quite young and he was very dynamic as well.
तो हमने दूर से ही उनको प्रणाम किया। उस दफ़ा हमें इतना ज्ञान नहीं था बाबा जी के बारे में। तो बाबा जी ने हमारा हाथ पकड़ा और बाबा जी हमें यहाँ ले गए। तो बाबा जी एक और थे, खेमानंद जी थे, वो यहाँ के उस दफ़ा मैनेजर थे। तो उनके हाथ में वो फीता दिया उन्होंने नापने वाला। तो एक तरफ मेरे हाथ में दे दिया, एक तरफ उनके हाथ में। तो बाबा ने कहा यहाँ से यहाँ नापो, दौड़ते रहे, वहाँ से वहाँ नापो, वहाँ से वहाँ नापो। हमने नापा तो ये जो बिल्डिंग जो है बड़ी वाली, ये बिल्डिंग का नक्शा तैयार हो गया। तो ये बिल्डिंग सबसे पहले हमने बनाई, उसके बाद तो फिर बनते रहा।
He came to this ashrama and met Babaji. Babaji, he was very surprised to look over Babaji. He was very surprised to see the ambience all around the Babaji. And he visited the ashram with Babaji. And he took the measurement of the ashrama and he led the foundation of some of the part of the ashrama by himself.
In those days, there was nothing.
Was no
In that day-
nothing was here.
In that point of time, there was no medium of communication as well.
केवल पुरानी 2-4 हट थी यहाँ।
There was
Kuti-
only
kuti-
2-3 cottages in that ashram. There was no great building like this.
And did you plan all the buildings?
All. We start the cement work when I came. We start.
Amazing. And now
The
it's
concrete
this
structure
sleeps-
was
Yeah.
And now 500 people can stay
Yeah.
here.
definitely 500 साल लोग आराम से यहाँ रह सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
आराम से आता। तो
Next question.
हाँ,
So this was your career. You already had this training as an architect.
yeah, I train a little bit, not much.
I see.
And
Baba
I
trained you.
train here with Babaji Black.
Great person.
Yeah.
So, how is it that you stayed so long, day in and day out, so many years, every day, RT, whatever, yoga?
वो जब रात को हम लोग ठहरे,
ये कह रही हैं कि आपका यहाँ पे क्या अनुभव है इतने लंबे
हाँ मैं
समय
वो
से रह
बता
रहे
रहा हूँ, वो बता रहा हूँ। तो हम जब यहाँ रात को ठहरे और सुबह जब हम इधर काम पे आए अपने, तो बाबा जी यहाँ से कुटिया से निकले, तो हमने वहाँ से देखा तो जैसे सूर्य होता है, सूर्य का प्रकाश होता है, तो ऐसा हमने उनका चेहरा चमकते देखा, तो मैं जो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो हो गया, प्रभावित हो गया।
He saw a spark over the face of Babaji. Babaji was, his personality was very sparking. He saw some kind of spark on the face, and he was very much surprised with
was
that
a-
ambience and that appearance.
It was the first morning when he came out
First
from the
Ah.
kuti. It was first morning. I saw him from there,
Uh-huh.
here. Yeah. तो मैंने अपने दिल में निश्चय कर लिया कि मैं काफ़ी प्रभावित हो गया। मैंने निश्चय कर लिया कि मैं अब जो है यहाँ रहूँगा।
He was surprised with the ambience all around the ashram. He was surprised with the beautiful face of the Maharaji, of the Babaji. He was very much surprised with the spark over the sea of the Babaji, and he decided to be here for rest of his life.
तो बाबा जी आए उधर, वहाँ पीछे एक दीवार थी बिल्कुल इतनी डाउन, सीमेंट की क्ले की हुई, वो यहाँ से करीब करीब वो जहाँ गेट है इतनी दूर तक थी ऐसे डाउन। बाबा जी खड़ाऊँ पहने हुए थे, लकड़ी की होती है खड़ाऊँ। तो बाबा जी अब मैं वो साइड में खड़ा था, उधर काम पे हम लगा हुआ था। तो बाबा जी उसमें जब खड़े हुए तो मैं डर गया। मैंने कहा बाबा जी फिसलेंगे आगे अब, हाँ। बाबा जी वो उसमें जो है भाई खड़ा हो गए और मैं आराम से नीचे उतर गए। मैं बात भाई हो, मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है, जबकि हम नंगे पैर उसमें नहीं खड़े हो सकते थे। वो खड़ाऊँ लेकर खड़ाऊँ पहने हुए थे और वो नीचे उतर गए।
Babaji was wearing the wooden slipper, and once he was standing on a wall, he was scared that maybe Babaji fell down.
वो लाइक दी डाउन दिस
But
वॉल।
Babaji
you
was
were afraid
quite,
of
that. Yes, yes.
Babaji maintained his balance very well on that wall, and he was surprised.
Yeah, he came down very easily. Yeah,
And he would wear the wooden slippers.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sometimes also he was barefoot.
कभी कभी नंगे पैर भी रहते थे.
नंगे पैर मोस्टली।
Most of the time he
Yeah,
was barefooted.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mostly time.
Another question?
Yes, so a strong experience you have with Babaji
कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस
Yeah.
अलौकिक
over
बताइए.
the years?
हर जो है उनसे मिलना जो था वो सब सरप्राइज था, अलौकिक ही था। तो अब एक जब हम उस टाइम पर हम लोग जो है हम लोगों को राशन दे दिया जाता था, क्योंकि उस दफ़ा यहाँ भंडार अंडा नहीं था। एक टाइम खिचड़ी बनती थी खाली, तो भगत लोगों को केवल एक टाइम खाना दिया जाता था, एक ही टाइम बनता था खिचड़ी। हमें बाबा जी ने अरेंज करवाया कि इनको राशन दे दो या खुद बना लेंगे। तो वहाँ हमारे साथ में जो काम करने वाले थे सब लहसुन प्याज वगैरह सब खाने वाले। मैंने उनसे कहा यार, मैंने कहा ये आश्रम है, यहाँ लहसुन प्याज वगैरह नहीं खाने चाहिए ना। तो उन्होंने कहा यार क्या होता है। सुबह जब हम यहाँ आए काम पे, बाबा जी जब आरती ख़त्म होती थी अपने दर्शन देने के बाद, तो वो काम पे जरूर आते थे। तो वहाँ आए तो आते ही बोले, अरे जान जो दे रहे लहसुन प्याज खाने चाहिए। ये बोले। मैं चौंका, मैंने कहा यार मैं तो इनसे कहा था रात को कि यार ऐसा मत करो ना। तो बाबा जी सुबह ही आए तो बाबा बोले कि ठंडे के दिन है, लहसुन प्याज ठीक है खाया करो।
Most of the devotees were taking khichdi in the ashram, but they were working for ashram and they were making their food separately. He was avoiding the tamasic bhojan like onion
Onion, garlic.
and garlic, and he was avoiding because he was living in ashram. Sometime garlic and onion is prohibited in ashramas. He was saying to his companions that we should avoid the onions and garlics in the ashram because it is a very sacred place. And after the Aarti, Babaji surprisingly visited the construction site and he told to the persons, those who were sitting that side, that you should take the onion and garlic while in the winter period. So he was very much surprised. He was prohibiting the garlic onion for his companions, whereas Babaji allowed them. So it was a miracle for them.
How did Babaji know it? That's the
क्योंकि उस टाइम पर एक आदमी वहाँ से प्याज लेके हल्द्वानी को जा रहा था, एक बोरा प्याज। तो बाबा जी ने बुलाया उसको और कहा कि इनको दे दो ये। वो सारा प्याज जो है हमारे आदमियों को दे दिया, काम करने वालों को। ने कहा खाओ जम करके।
So you said Babaji knew that the people wanted it.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
he-
Particularly in the winter when it's cold.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
cold. It's very
yeah.
cold here in the
Yeah,
winter.
yeah.
And in
At that time was not.
Onion and garlic is good for health in winter season because they are hot in nature.
Because this, that time is not living place here, no. We are living like this openly.
So when Babaji left his body in 1984, what was that like for you?
Was a surprise, but I was confirmed he will back. We were waiting to he will stand up again. Prem Baba also was saying. But I never felt that he gone. Many devotees, many people asked me, what we will do after he left. He said, I told him, God comes for devotees, never goes away. Yeah, never goes away. He will stay inside.
So do you ever get tired?
No tired.
More Archie, morning, evening,
Yeah, yeah.
Karma Yoga.
No tired. No tired, never tired. After Babaji left, we are very lazy.
Ah,
Very lazy. Yeah.
when
Yeah.
Babaji was here,
Yeah, oh, very strong work and never tired that
Never
time.
tired
Now
either.
I am without work so tired.
Without work, he's tired, but not while he's working.
Yeah.
well, and Babaji was
Yeah.
so full of grace and love.
Any other question?
Do you have one more experience where he showed his love to you, or his who he
No.
was? I mean, he's like Shiva.
He was an incarnation. वो एक अवतार पुरुष थे। जब हम यहाँ आए, जब हमें बाबा ने लीला दिखाना शुरू किया, तो मैं स्मेल जो है, इत्र की स्मेल महसूस करता था उनमें से, ना एक अलौकिक स्मेल। तो अब बहुत दिन तक जब इसके बाद वो बद्रीनाथ गए बाबा जी, हम उधर गुफा में काम कर रहे थे और 9 मंदिर हमने बनाए। तो मैं उधर किनारे पे गया, तो मैंने सोचा यार हम यहाँ वो कोई इत्र ऐसे लगाते होंगे कि आजकल तो सब ऐसा ज़माना है।
बद्रीनाथ में?
नहीं
हाँ।
मैंने विचार किया, मैंने कहा वो स्मेल मेरी वो क्योंकि लगाते होंगे इसलिए आती होगी
हाँ,
ना,
हाँ,
इसलिए मैं महसूस करता था उस इत्र को। तो साहब मैं वहाँ खड़ा था, तो मेरा विचार ये आते ही मेरे एक ऐसी हवा आई जो पूरे मुझे सराबोर कर गई, वही स्मेल मेरे ना। मैंने वहीं से हाथ जोड़े और प्रणाम किया भगवान को। मैंने कहा प्रभु आप तो महान हैं ना, ये मेरा जो था ना, ये मेरा गलत फहमी थी कि मैं सोच रहा था कि ये इत्र लगाते होंगे ना, कि आप इत्र नहीं लगाते, आपको तो कुदरती है स्मेल आती है।
He was feeling a kind of beautiful perfume smell
Yes.
from the body of the Babaji many times. Once he was thinking that maybe he was getting the feeling of that beautiful smell from other flowers or the other things.
Or maybe good perfume he buy, somebody give him
Nice perfume.
But
Yeah.
once he was while he was meditating, automatically one day
Babaji was in
No, I was working there. Gufa
Babaji
side.
was in Badrinath.
Babaji went Gufa side that time. So I was feeling that, just feeling. I smell this Babaji. Maybe Babaji puts this kind of smell, itra or something.
Babaji was right there in
Something.
Badrinath and he was
Yeah.
there in ashrama, and automatically he felt that beautiful smell
yeah.
what he was feeling from the body of Babaji.
Ah,
Yeah. Then I was.
So Babaji
I
made
was
his
sitting
presence to him
uh-huh.
in a unseen kind of unseen
Yeah.
power.
many miles away.
many miles away.
He was in
He
Badrinath.
sent
I
his
was Gupta
beautiful
side.
Ismail to him.
And one big
Breezy call.
wind came with this smell. I felt this is him, Babaji's smell. So I got pranam from there. He was in Badrinath. So I felt this is his perfume, not artificial.
Artificial. I can imagine that
Yes.
working next to Babaji all this time, you know. He was saying, this, he would tell you how to build all these buildings. How was that? How was it to work right next to Babaji and to walk with him? He would tell you, no, over here, or,
So he always give me direction.
uh-huh.
Always. He give direction. You should be like this.
May I leave now? May I leave now?
No, we just finished. And you-
And many kind of surprise darshan I got. But you know,
Do you feel his presence even today?
sure. Good.
do you ever smell the perfume anymore?
Not anymore, but I feel always in my breath.
In your breath?
If he
and everything?
he not, then breathe not.
I see. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a great honor.
Bole Baba ki
DJ,
jai.
and thank you for your translation.
Many story with I saw 11 years continue, but next time if you want.
Okay, we'll have more
He has-
stories. Maybe
He
to-
has n
maybe
uh,
number
to-
of stories with
I
him.
can
There are number of
imagine.
stories.
Yeah, 11
He
whole
will
years.
reveal
Yes.
11 years with living with the divine is
Yes.
too much. So
Very
maybe.
Bole
nice.
Baba ki today enough. Bole Baba ki
DJ, and what is your good name?
Dr. Ashish Tripathi.
आशीष त्रिपाठी।
Nice to. Thank you for your translation. Bole Baba ki jai.
नीचे ध्वनि में ध्यान कीजिए।
Yeah.
Maybe
From
he'll-
where I can get the link of this?
if you give.
Are you staying in this direction today? So we'll meet up in Aarti.
No, he is Gufa side.
But you can give.
हाँ वो बाबा जी का तो आश्रम है।
वहाँ कौन रहता है?
वहाँ पे पुजारी हैं और बताते हैं और यही आश्रम है। हैं? हाँ वहीं रहती है तारा।
वहाँ? तो अभी धुनी में मिलेंगी, वहाँ मिलेगी?
वहाँ मिलेगी। मैं भी हाँ धुरी में मिलेगी अब। आजकल धुनी में भी काम करेगी।